Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have started exercise 11D. Question number 1, 1 and 2 we have done, and 3 and 4 homework. No? So today we'll start question number 5. Here x plus y divided by x minus y plus 1 plus x minus y divided by x plus y plus dot dot up to n terms. Okay, so you have to find the sum of this GP up to n terms. This is first term, second term, third term. So solution, first term A is x plus y divided by x minus y. Common ratio R is second term divided by first term. So second term divided by first term. Convert this into multiplication, write reciprocal. So 1 into x minus y by x plus y is x minus y divided by x plus y. So here the value of r is less than 1. See, in numerator we have minus sign, subtraction, and in the denominator we have plus sign. So obviously your numerator will be less than denominator. So this is proper fraction, and I have already told proper fractions are less than 1. So we will find the sum of n terms. Formula, here we have to use this formula, a1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r, because here r is less than 1. So the value of a is x plus y divided by x minus y. 1 minus the value of r is x minus y divided by x plus y whole to the power n. 1 minus r is x minus y divided by x plus y. Here you consider 1, take LCM, numerator copy numerator as it is, and in denominator take LCM. LCM of 1 and x plus y is x plus y. Here you have to multiply by x plus y, and here by 1. So x plus y minus x minus y. Then numerator will remain same. Denominator, you just open bracket, x plus y minus x plus y. Minus x and plus x cancel. So x plus y by x minus y, bracket 1 minus x minus y by x plus y to the power n will be numerator same. And denominator y plus y 2y divided by x plus y. Now since this is in the denominator, we will bring it to the numerator, but we have to write reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2y by x plus y is x plus y by 2y. Now we will multiply x plus y into x plus y is x plus y whole square. X minus y into 2y is 2y x minus y, and this bracket will remain same. So this is the sum of n terms of that GP. Now question number 2, how many terms of the geometric progression 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus dot dot must be added to get sum equal to 5461. So in this given GP, first term is 1, second term is 4, third term is 16, fourth term is 64. So in this question, how many terms you have to take, so that when you add those terms, okay, answer will be 5461. So first term, the value of a is 1, and the common ratio is second term divided by first term. 4 divided by 1 is 4, and 4 is greater than 1. So here we will take, suppose there are n terms, okay. So let there are n terms. So sum of n term is given 5461. Since the value of r is greater than 1, we have to use this formula. A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 is equal to 5461. A is 1, r is 4. So in place of a, write 1. R is 4 to the power n minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is equal to 5461. So 4 to the power n minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 is equals to 5461. Now cross multiplication. Do cross multiply. You'll get, on multiplication, you'll get 16,383. Then this minus 1 will become plus 1. So on addition, you'll get 16,384. Now we need the value of n, and n is in power. Okay, so here also you should get 4 to the power something. You have to make same base. So for that we will find the factors of 16,384. So here is the process. Now we will make 4. Okay, 2 and 2 we will consider 4. So like that we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 4 to the power 7. So same base, that means powers are equal. N is equal to 7. So we have to take 7 terms, okay, to get the sum. Now next question is question number 3. The first term of a GP is 27. Here the value of A is given 27 and its 8th term is 1 by 81. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. So here in this GP you have to find the sum of its first term, 10 terms. Here the value of A is given 27 and the value of R is not given. Okay, so let the common ratio be R. So here 8th term is given 1 by 81, 8th term 1 by 81. From here we can find the value of R. 8th term is A, R to the power 7 is equal to 1 by 81. Value of A is 27. 27 R to the power 7 is equal to 1 by 81. So R to the power 7 is equal to 1 by 81. This 27 will go here in the denominator. R to the power 7 is equal to, instead of multiplication we will write this in terms of 3 to the power something. Okay, so 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and 27 can be written as 3 cube. So on multiplication it will give 3 to the power 7. So R to the power 7 is equals to, in place of this we can write 1 by 3 to the power 7. Now we have same power, means base are equal. R is equals to 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is less than 1. This is proper fraction, less than 1. So we have to find, we got value of R. Now we have to find the sum of first 10 terms. So since the value of R is less than 1, we have to use this formula. In place of A write 27, 1 minus R is 1 by 3 to the power 10. 1 minus 1 by 3. Now keep numerator as it is. Only we will solve denominator. Okay, so here we will add 1. We will take LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 1, 3s are 3, 3, 1s are 3. So 3 minus 1. So next line will be 27, 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 10, 2 by 3. Now we will bring it to the numerator, write reciprocal, 3 by 2. Multiply 27, 3 is 81 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 10. This is your answer. Now question number 4. A boy spends rupees 10 on first day, rupees 20 on second day, rupees 40 on third day and so on. Find how much in all will he spend in 12 days. So in this question it is given on first day that boy spent rupees 10. Second day he spent rupees 20. Third day 40. Like that. On in 12 days. In 12 days how much money will he spend? Total money you have to find. Okay. How much he will spend in 12 days. Total money how much he will spend. Total money you have to find. So rupees 10 first day, rupees 20 on second day, rupees 40 on third day and so on. So this is in GP. A is 10, R is 20 divided by 10 is 2. So the value of R is greater than 1. Here we have to find the sum of 12 days. Okay, sum you have to find, not T12, not 12, this 12th term. You have to find sum. So here we have to use the formula of sum, A R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 because R is greater than 1. A is 10, R is 2. 2 to the power 12 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power 12 is 4096. So 10 into 4096 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4096 minus 1 is 4095 into 10 is 40,950. So in 12 days he will spend 40,950.